everyone. Welcome back to another episode of our beginner-friendly English podcast.
Hey, Emma. Hey, listeners. It's great to have you here again.
Today's topic is English for first conversations.
Yes, this episode will help you talk to someone for the first time at school, work, a party, a cafe, basically anywhere.
We'll teach simple phrases that help you start a conversation and keep it going.
Exactly. Let's begin.
All right, the first thing you often say when meeting someone is, "Hi, nice to meet you," or "Hello, it's nice to meet you."
Very simple and very polite.
Listeners, repeat after me. Hi, nice to meet you. Hello, it's nice to meet you.
Great. Now the next step is asking for the person's name. You can say, "What's your name?"
And the polite version is, "May I ask your name?"
Listeners, repeat. What's your name? May I ask your name?
Perfect.
Now, let's continue the conversation. If someone asks you your name, you can answer, "My name is Emma," or "I'm Emma."
Yes, both are correct. Let's practice with the listeners. Repeat. My name is... Good. I'm... Great.
Nice job, everyone.
Now, the next common question in a first conversation is, where are you from?
Very common. People ask this all the time.
And simple answers are, I'm from Mexico. I'm from Turkey. I'm from Iran. I'm from Brazil.
Listeners, repeat. I'm from...
Great.
Another common question is, what do you do? This means, what is your job or what do you study?
Yes, and you can answer, I'm a teacher. I'm a student. I'm an engineer. I work in IT. I study English.
Let's practice. Listeners, repeat after us. I'm a student. I'm a teacher. I work in IT. I study English.
Fantastic.
Now, after names, jobs, and origin, people sometimes ask small talk questions like, how are you? How's your day? Or how's everything?
Simple answers include, I'm good, thanks. Pretty good. Not bad. I'm doing well.
Listeners, repeat. I'm good, thanks. I'm doing well. Perfect.
Okay, now let's build a short, natural first conversation.
Good idea. Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What's your name?
I'm Emma. And you?
I'm Leo. Where are you from, Emma?
I'm from Canada. How about you?
I'm from Italy. So what do you do?
I'm an English teacher. And you?
I'm a software developer.
Oh, that's great.
Simple, friendly, natural conversation.
Exactly.
Listeners, now we want you to repeat the full dialogue slowly with us.
Ready? Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What's your name?
I'm Emma. And you?
I'm Leo. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. How about you?
I'm from Italy. What do you do?
I'm an English teacher. And you?
I'm a software developer.
Great job.
Now, let's teach a few phrases to keep a conversation going.
Yes, very important. You can say, that's interesting. Oh, really? That's nice. Cool.
Listeners, repeat. That's interesting. Oh, really? Cool.
Nice.
And sometimes you want to ask more questions. You can say, what about you? How about you? Do you live here? Do you like it here?
Super useful questions. Listeners, repeat. What about you? Do you live here? Do you like it here?
Excellent.
Now let's practice another natural conversation using all the phrases. Hi, I don't think we've met before.
Oh, hi. No, we haven't. I'm Leo.
Nice to meet you, Leo. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you too. So, where are you from?
I'm from Canada. How about you?
I'm from Italy. Do you live here?
Yes, I do. I moved here last year.
Oh, really? That's cool. And what do you do?
I'm an English teacher. What about you?
I'm a software developer.
That's interesting.
Thanks. Nice talking to you.
You too.
And there you have it, a perfect first conversation.
Yes, and very beginner-friendly.
Listeners, now it's your turn. Answer these questions out loud. What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? Do you live here? Great job. Today we learned introducing yourself, asking for names, asking where someone is from, asking about jobs, small talk questions, and how to keep a conversation going.
All essential skills for first conversations in English.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
Keep practicing. You're doing amazing.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.
Bye.